Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fabs in the house. And today I've got the Civivi Mckenna here with me. This is the black Damascus copper scale version, and we're going to try to do a maintenance video and see if we can improve the already pretty decent action of this little guy. I really like the weight, the feel, the look of it. It's very interesting. So I'm thinking that this guy actually is using T8, which was right, screws for this. Yeah, very interesting. And for the pivot as well. Beautiful. Pivot is keyed in. It's gonna be super straightforward because there's just two screws to keep this little fella together. One pivot and one handle screw, and we should be done, right? Let me see. So this opens up like that. This is good. This is good. Yeah, look at this. That's pretty straightforward, guys. So, okay. Let's clean it up a little bit using one of these alcohol swabs, like so. So we can pop this guy out like that and just clean the liner. It's it's painted, it's coated. These scales are kinda heavy. Kind of a little bit on the heavy side, but I like the look a lot, guys. I really like it a lot. So this is gonna be my EDC, 100%. It's so nice, it's so little, but it has a nice heft to it, and it's fancy with this blacked out Damas steel. It says Damascus, but this is kind of like the Chinese Damas steel, in my opinion, because it looks like Damas steel. So, all right, let's clean up these little bearings, which are, by the way, ceramic bearings. Guys, they didn't cheap out on this guy, and I am telling you, it's a nice one. It's very slick, very slim, it's looking good, sounds alright, and feels pretty decent to be a very tiny one. So, let's do it. Actually, this guy wants to be like that, I know. And let's use 10 weight nano oil right over here, just like so, and just a tiny drop on the detent as well. And yeah, so let's do this guy. It's gonna go right over here. We have to use, since this pivot is keyed in, is D-shaped, so we're gonna have to do this side first, I'm assuming, and this is gonna be like that, and this is gonna be like so. All right, and actually, you know what? We're gonna do like this. We're gonna just do a little bit of oil here, and this guy here, and the detent ball is there, so that is good. And this guy can actually just go into place like this. This sides, we are done. There's no need to disassemble anything on that side. Everything looks pretty well put together. I really appreciate the fact that you're gonna need only one bit, and I appreciate the fact that that only one bit is a T8 Torx Bit Screw, because I prefer it very much over the T6 or even T5. I've seen some T5 which are scary, guys. So T8 all the way, a little bit of blue Loctite, tighten down your pivot, not too much because there's no need to. Let's double check the screw right here and right here. They're nicely tight. And let's see, centering looks pretty dead to me. Zero blade play, it's a little bit on the tight side. Let's loosen a little bit the pivot. Still no blade play. And let's see. Okay, maybe we can improve this guy by a little. Look at this, blade is still centered. Oh, now it's snappy and it's actually feeling a little bit better. Let me clean up this. So there's still not a free fall. Drop shots, as soon as you disengage the lock bar, like that, but doesn't really, because the blade is kind of new and kind of very light, so it doesn't fall under its own weight. You need to wiggle a little bit, but the action is snappy, and just with a wiggle it's just gonna close. And it's also new, so very interesting, guys. I am actually liking this action. I'm gonna play with this guy to try to break it in, and very, very cool indeed. So there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.